going in the woods and we are going to try to survive. This is the stuff we have. The only stuff we brought was a spring-loaded knife and a flint.
Put the green thing around.
Oh. You do it. Oh. That's all we have, I think. Yeah, we didn't bring water in. And plus, you hear kind of the construction noises around. That's because we're not too far away from a city, but we're in a city, so there's not a lot of forest or anything, so.
There is still a lot of forest here, but just close to a city. Yeah. Alright, so we dug out a fire pit, and we put rocks around it so it wouldn't spread. And since the ground was too moist, we had to place some of this green grass on here. It is not flammable, it won't light on fire. So that way we can actually light the fire, because if we just did it on moist ground, it probably wouldn't catch us fire. Alright, so what you want to do is when you got your bark, grind it up super small, take a spark right into the middle of it, and start piling your sticks on top. And don't stop. Eventually, you can get your fire super huge.
See, the kids must have tried to make a fort here. Something. Sorry, little boys and girls, we're destroying the fort because we need to survive. Wrap rope pretty awesome like. Get a piece of rope. Grab it. Put it around your arm right here. Just like that. It's easy to carry. Wrap around something. Okay, well look right here, that's where I'm going to make the lean-to. It's not a very good spot. Don't make it in a place that's rocky or has bumps. I'm guessing he's trying to pull the rocks out. Well, you shouldn't make it in a spot like this. But since we're not even it, since we're not sleeping in it, I'm just going to make it there anyway. Okay, oh look, plane. See if you see that, make a fire as fast as you can. Somewhere up there. Up in the great blue yonder, unless that's the ocean.
Unless if you want to lay on a rock because you're some kind of retard, then this would be a perfect spot for you. But if you want to lay on a spot that's actually comfortable, try to find a spot that has nice ground. And even if it is kind of dirty, you can put grass or leaves there.
Yes.
Okay, well our fire just almost went out because I put 2 rotten logs in there by accident. It was way too moist and it was fading the fire out. And as you can see right now, it's starting up again. And even though we're not cooking anything, or we're not trying to get warm, but we
help with it. Come hold this side.
We still need the fire to keep the flies away. Alright,